away and running. The Irish bred Carwell missed it by just the length. From the inside gate, Peaks Diamond gets a good jump. On the outside, Mellan Kelly right there. Mellan Kelly and Peaks Diamond going out to the front. Mount Glitter take it by storm. And the orange cap joined third now. Cream Only fifth at the rail. Then comes What a Cracker, and Carwell is dropped back to last. Field now going toward the far turn. Mellan Kelly and Peaks Diamond going head to head. The opening quarter, 22-4. Rails 15 feet out. And Mellan Kelly now is quickened up to take the front from Peaks Diamond, who's quick to counterattack. Mount Glitter waiting in the wings. And then Cream Only. On the outside, What a Cracker. Take it by storm is wide. And also pulled off those rails. Carwell is last as they come for home. Mellan Kelly and Peaks Diamond. These two with under 2 furlongs to go. Mount Glitter right there. Cream Only, What a Cracker. Far outside, Take It by Storm, and Carwell into the final furlong. Peaks Diamond in front. Now here's Mount Glitter with power and pace. Mellan Kelly is running third. Up toward the wire. Mount Glitter takes it from Peaks Diamond. Mount Glitter and Joe Telemo. Mount Glitter driven out. Mount Glitter first from Peaks Diamond. Farther back, Cream Only third and nose to Carwell. What a Cracker was next.